Someday you'll be through with 2D drawings, but that someday isn't here just yet. And since you can't 3D print everything, you've told us that 2D drawings are still a critical part of your design process. So just as we were first with 2D on a PC, Autodesk is first to the cloud with Fusion 360 and 2D drawings. With Autodesk Fusion 360, you can create a drawing from any model in your Fusion project. And I'm not talking about a watered down, reverse engineered mini-me version of a DWG, a real Autodesk DWG file. Autodesk Fusion 360 has all the features you would expect to have to quickly lay out views, create section views, add dimensions, notes, custom properties on the title block, all the things you need to create a production drawing with Fusion 360. Now, of course, we didn't stop at part drawings. You can create assembly views just as easily. Grab a parts list, slap down some balloons, and you're done. And since nobody plays better with others than Autodesk, spit this drawing out as a PDF just as easily as DWG files. Let's go. Visit autodesk.com/Fusion360 and get started today.